So now let's look at how to create multiple businesses under one Celtic account. So as you can see, I'm already in my dashboard. So I'm going to go to click on the navigation bar, the hamburger, and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to see switch business. So when I click on switch business, I'm going to see a lot of businesses that I have. And if I want to work on any particular one, I will click on it. But now I want to create a new business. I'm going to click on create new business, which is at the bottom. I click on this create new business button. Then I'm going to put the business name. Let me say tiles is the name of the business. And then I'm going to put the business address. Let me say Lagos State. Just put the name of the business. Then the state. Okay, let me just use maybe where should I even use in Lagos State? Let me use a Yanapaja. I'm going to use a Yanapaja and I'm going to put state to be Lagos State. And I'm going to click on create business. Now I did not upload my logo, but now I meant to upload logo. So now you can see I have two businesses. So if I want to create another one, I still click on this create new business and I can still put the name. Maybe what's the business name? Maybe I'm dealing on fresh Ozil. Let me put Ozil fresh foods as a new business. I can decide to select a logo by clicking on this. So I've selected the logo. As you can see, I'll just go to my gallery and select the logo. Then I'm going to put business address. Let me say my street, any street. So I'm just going to use this as the business address. Then state, let me say Enugu as a state. Then I'm going to click on create business. Now this will automatically create my business for me. But my plan have only maximum of two businesses to create, so I can't create more than two businesses. So if I go back here, I can say I have the first business and the second business. So but this second business I don't need. If I want to delete a business, I'll just click on delete and then I confirm delete and then I can delete that business automatically. So you can see that the business has been deleted. So let's go back to the nanotech gadgets that we are using for this tutorial. So that's all on how to create a new business, and you can have as multiple businesses as you want in Celtic.